This family is going camping. For the very first time. Dad thinks he knows everything.
He does not. Watch what happens.
Okay, family. I have everything ready. I have been planning this for weeks.
Did you pack the tent, Oliver?
Of course I packed the tent. I packed everything.
Dad, did you pack my fishing rod?
Yes, Noah. I packed everything.
Dad, did you pack the sleeping bags?
Yes, of course. Everything is in the car.
Just in case.
Good idea, Mom.
Let us go, family. Our adventure begins. The family drives to the campsite. It is a beautiful morning.
Dad, are we there yet?
Not yet, Noah.
Not yet, Noah.
Dad, I think that pole goes there. Not there. Not there.
Oliver, I think Emma is right.
We will turn around. I was just testing. After 2 hours, the family arrives.
Wow! This is amazing! This is the best place ever! It is. It is very beautiful. I like the river.
Thank you, Sophie. I told you, I planned everything perfectly.
This looks simple. Very simple.
Dad, do you need help?
No, Noah. I have this completely.
I think that pole goes there. Not there. Dad, the tent looks like it is falling asleep.
It is supposed to look like that. For now. It just needs to settle, Noah. Tents always look like that at first.
I do not think tents look like that.
There. The tent is ready. I told you I could do it.
That was not supposed to happen.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. The tent fell asleep. We did it!
Now that is a tent. I am the camping chef. This is my special recipe. I watched a video about this.
Dad, what does camping stew smell like?
Like nature, Noah. Fresh and natural. Camping stew. My special recipe.
Dad, I think I am also not very hungry. Mom, a squirrel is looking at our food.
Oh. Just sit very still, Noah.
Shoo! Go away! That is our dinner! Hey, the crow took Emma's bread.
Is that squirrel eating my camping stew?
The squirrel is eating your camping stew. I brought sandwiches, just in case.
Sophie, you are a genius.
Sophie, you are a genius.
I know, Oliver. I know.
Dad, the sky looks very dark.
It is just clouds, Noah. It will pass.
Dad, my weather app says rain. Heavy rain starting very soon.
Emma, weather apps are not always right. The tent is dripping.
Is the tent crying, Dad?
Everyone, inside the tent! Right now, go, go, go!
It is very loud. Yes.
The tent is dripping.
Does that mean the tent is getting thirsty too?
After the rain, the family goes for a walk. Oliver leads the way. He has a map.
Follow me, family. I know exactly where we are going.
They walk for 10 minutes, then 20 minutes, then 30 minutes.
I think we went the wrong way.
Emma, the phone compass is not always accurate in forests.
Dad, I think can see our tent from here.
I think the map was upside down.
That explains it.
Noah found the way.
Emma helped.
Sophie navigated. Oliver carried the map.
Mom, you are...
Amazing.
I know. There we go.
Nice teamwork.
The campfire is going. Sophie helped Oliver start it. The family sits together around the warm fire.
In the city, we cannot see them. But out here, the sky is very clear. Dad, even though everything went wrong, I think this is the best day ever.
It is really beautiful. It really is.
The tent fell down. The squirrel ate your stew, and we got a little bit lost.
Yes, Noah, it is. The next morning, Noah wakes up first.
Wow.
Oliver wakes up early too. He steps outside very quietly. Beautiful, isn't it?
Yes, Dad. It really is. Dad, can we come camping again?
Next weekend if you want.
The family packs up the campsite. The tent comes down very easily.
Because Sophie did it. Good teamwork, everyone. The family drives home. They are tired and very happy.
Dad, next time, can we look at the map right side up?
I will try, Emma. I will try.
Oliver planned everything perfectly. Or he thought he did.